Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Kvass, just like bread, never gets old. That's what the Russian proverb says. And it's true, the love for kvass is in our genes. What can really be called kvass, and not just sweet soda? And which one is better to drink? Just as is, or which one should you take for okroshka? Let's dive in. Kvass is mentioned in chronicles dedicated to the baptism of Rus. Prince Vladimir the Fair Son, after the baptism of Rus, ordered that food, bread, honey, and kvass be distributed to everyone. In the old days, dark kvass was called boyars, and light kvass was called peasants, since making dark kvass required more sugar, which was very expensive. Up until the 18th century, kvass was quite an alcoholic beverage, with a strength of up to 10 to 12%. But you all know the word kvass, and you also know who it's usually associated with. Kvass is a truly Russian drink. Its refreshing sweet and sour taste is completely incomprehensible to foreigners. Just like beer, it comes to life through fermentation. Beer's flavor comes from added hops, while kvass gets its flavor from rye croutons or wort. That's why these drinks taste so different. Alcoholic fermentation in kvass ends very quickly, leaving only traces of alcohol. From 0.1 to 1%, such a drink is officially classified as non-alcoholic by state standards. After that, lactic acid bacteria take over and trigger a different type of fermentation. The conclusion is that, by its nature, live kvass is actually much closer to kefir than to beer, and it has a long list of benefits. It contains high doses of B vitamins which help fight infections, vitamins A and E, which help preserve youthfulness, and beneficial lactobacilli, which have a positive effect on the intestines and the entire digestive tract. To be continued. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones, stay with us, and everything will be just fine.